Hi everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wished you could make your favorite video games even more awesome? Well, today we're going to meet a super smart robot that does exactly that. You ready? Let's jump right in. Okay, picture this. You're playing a game, you're just about to beat the final boss, you are so close, and then, bam, the game just stops. Or maybe your character gets stuck running into a wall over and over again. Ugh, has that ever happened to you? It's just the worst, right? So, why does that even happen? Well, it's because of these sneaky little mistakes in the game's computer brain, and they're called bugs. You can think of them like tiny invisible pranksters who just love to pop up and mess things up. Now, to stop those bugs, the people who make games have a special team of detectives called game testers, and their whole mission is to hunt down every single one of those sneaky bugs. And let me tell you, it is a huge job. Yeah, and their job is totally different from just playing a game for fun. See, when we play, we're just trying to have a great time. But game testers, they have to do kind of boring stuff, like jumping into the same wall 100 times in a row just to see if it breaks. Phew, that sounds pretty tiring, don't you think? But what if, just what if, our bug hunters had a secret helper? A super fast, super smart partner who never, ever gets tired. What do you think that would be like? Well, guess what? They do. It's time to meet the hero of our story. It's a special kind of super smart computer, and its name is Generative AI. But, for today, we can just call it our awesome robot sidekick. So what in the world is this generative AI? Well, imagine a robot that can learn how to play a video game, just like you can. But then it does something truly amazing. It starts inventing thousands of new, totally wacky ways to test the game, all on its own. It's like having a teammate with unlimited ideas. And this robot sidekick? Oh, it has some really incredible superpowers to help it find all those bugs. Are you ready to see what it can do? Okay, let's check them out. Its very first superpower is super speed. Seriously, this robot is so fast. It's like a blur, faster than you can even blink your eyes. Okay, get this. Our little robot helper can come up with brand new tests 97% faster than a person. To put that into perspective, that's like if you could finish all of your homework for the entire week in less than 1 minute. Whoa, can you even imagine that? Okay, you gotta get ready for this one. Superpower number 2 is X-ray vision. That's right, it can see things that are totally invisible to our eyes, like secrets hidden deep inside the game. So, with this X-ray vision, the robot can find bugs that are hiding in the sneakiest places. We're talking about a glitch that only happens if you walk through one specific brick in a wall, or a secret bug that only shows up if you play the game at exactly midnight. It finds those super tricky mistakes that almost nobody would ever find. And for its third and final superpower, are you ready for this one? It's clone jutsu. Poof! Just like that, it can make tons and tons of copies of itself. How cool is that? I mean, just look at this. The robot can make thousands of little robot clones to play the game all at the same time. So one clone might spend all day just jumping, and another one will try talking to every single character in the whole game. And thousands of others will try every other silly thing you can possibly think of, all at once, just to find every last bug. Now, with all of these amazing superpowers, you might think our robot sidekick is just unstoppable. But you know what? Even the coolest superheroes in the world need a partner. So, here's a big question for you. Even with all those powers, is our robot sidekick perfect? Can it do everything by itself? What do you think? Well, the answer is not quite. That's because the robot needs a human partner. It needs you. First, you have to teach it what's actually fun. I mean, the robot is great at finding mistakes, but it has no idea what makes a game exciting or funny. That's our job. And you also have to show it what good games look like so it can learn from the best ones. And last, we have to be a little patient, because just like us, it needs time to learn all the rules. So what's next for our amazing robot friend? Well, believe it or not, scientists are already working on giving it brand new, futuristic superpowers. Let's take a peek at what upgrades are coming soon. Okay, check out this timeline. So right now, it's awesome at finding glitches, but soon it might get future-seeing goggles. Can you imagine? It could actually predict where a bug might hide before it even causes a problem. And then later on, it could get shape-shifting tests that automatically change if the game makers add a new level or something. That is so cool. Okay, so let's remember our 3 big ideas for today. Ready? Number 1, a special robot helper can find video game bugs super duper fast. Number 2, it has amazing superpowers like X-ray vision to find all those secret bugs. And number 3, this one's the most important. The robot needs you to be the captain and teach it what's actually fun. And before we go, I have one last super cool fact for you. Are you ready for it? Some of these robots are getting so smart, you don't even have to type anymore. You can just talk to them and tell them about the game, and they'll know exactly what to test. How amazing is that? Just by listening to your voice. So that just leaves us with one final big question. If you had your very own super smart robot sidekick, what amazing, incredible, world-changing thing would you build together? Wow, just think about all the possibilities. Thanks so much for exploring with me today. Bye!